Zhejiang Jianzhan Technology Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of asphalt shingle, bond tile, classic tile, Milano tile, colored stone sand. We are located in Deqing County, Huzhou City, Zhejiang Province with convenient transportation access. We have an automated production workshop of 12,000 square meters. The annual production capacity of metal roof is more than 5 million pieces, and the annual output of colored stone sand exceeds 50,000 tons. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, take the initiative to innovate to meet the different market requirement of major export destinations such as Africa. Other markets will be developed in future. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We also have obtained 6 different patents to support our metal roof. Use our unique technology to produce various performance products with anti-fading, anti-cracking, anti-aging, noise cancelling, fireproof, lightweight, easy installation for service life of 30 years. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Looking forward to your orders.